Hey, meghdad here. So I wanted to give a quick update of what I was doing with Niagara particle systems. I'm actually having a very simple scene here with some backdrop and lighting, and I have also another object here to show how the particles are also colliding with these elements. So what I'm going to show here is how I actually set up the Niagara system in Unreal and how I'm controlling some of the behavior of the particles using some keyboard shortcuts, as well as I have this Xbox gamepad here, and I'm going to show how I control some of the behaviors of the particles using some of these buttons here. So I'm going to play the game. All right, so you can see I'm having very simple source for the particles, that is spawning particles. The first thing that I want to show is how I can increase the spawn rate here by holding down B, or if I want to decrease them, I can hold down V, and it's going to change the spawn rate here all the way to 0. So I can very easily control how I want to, or how much I want to spawn here, right? So I'm going to just leave it in some reasonable amount. And I'm going to just show how I'm controlling the wind that I have attached to this particle. So I'm going to increase the wind speed here, and immediately I can just control the direction of the wind using these left and right and up and down buttons here. You can see they are very responsive. I can change the direction of the wind as I wish, and anytime that I want, I can increase the speed of it as well. So this is controlling the direction. I'm going to just have the particles to spawn through the camera, and then I can increase the speed of the wind. You can see that it's definitely changing that speed. I can bring it down, as well as I can just again control the direction here, and it's very responsive. So I'm happy with the result. And you can see that also the particles are colliding with the geometries here too. All right, so my next step would be I'm hoping that I can actually use Vive Tracker to do the same thing, but this time using Vive Tracker, so I can actually use that tracker to control the direction of the wind. So I'm going to update you as soon as I figure that out.